Hello, me and my team, we are looking for a new project management software. We are coming from FreePlane, which is a mind mapping software which can be used for project management. Anyway, FreePlane is able to export mind maps into a format that Task Juggler understands, and that's how we found out about Task Juggler. And after reading through the documentation, we can only say it looks fantastic, but we're hesitant to even try Task Juggler because the project seems abandoned. We can see here that it is not abandoned, but however, the project seems to be in decline for several reasons, and I hope somebody will answer and tell us different. For example, a lot of links like those here, they are dead and not functional. When we go to the examples page, no matter which report we click on, it gives us the opportunity to download an HTML file. But if we load up those files, they look like that. So it seems to be that CSS and everything is missing. And maybe it would look different if we could open up the links on this web page instead of downloading them. So there are a lot of issues on this website which make us believe that this project is in decline. Also, the information posted here, well, the tutorials are not up to date with version 3. They have not been adapted to version 3. However, version 3 was released several years ago. So again, is anybody maintaining the website? And now we wanted to answer that question. Who is anybody when it comes to Task Juggler? And we found that the mailing list is the place to be currently when users want to interact with each other. And however, the announcement here are not being maintained since 10 years. Developer discussions cannot be looked into from my I couldn't get into anyway. And when we look at the user discussions, we will end up here, and I'm not trying to be offensive, but there are more modern ways, or more, let's say, ways that people are used to interact with each other. And this is usually, or a lot of times, not Google conversations. I personally like the way GitHub evolved. When you want to engage in discussions, it looks all nice and modern and it's easy to look at. And if I look here, I have the feeling that the font is somehow broken. Anyway, the point is, I'm not criticizing which software is used to handle the community. I'm just saying maybe there is a better way to let the users interact with each other. So it might attract even more users, and even more users would be willing to contribute to this project. So and the last thing is it says that Task Juggler wants the issues reported on GitHub. However, no matter which, I'm not saying all of the issues are like that, but when you click on an issue, you can see that usually the author of the issue is answering the questions himself or herself. So there's not much going on here, and that's what makes us wonder, is there even a developer left to address any issues, or is there a different way of approaching issues or whatever? So we do not want to keep guessing what's going on with Task Juggler. I hope somebody will explain, maybe the owner of the project himself, Christian Schläger, or Schläger, probably in German. So we hope there are good news around that project. And till then, everybody have a nice day and bye-bye.